This weather report brought to you by Allianz Car Insurance.
Time for more weather news now, and Amelia joins us from Mile End with news of warmer temperatures on the way, Mills.
Well, Jane, the weekend's looking a little more spring-like. After all, there is a little over a week to go for winter, and it's certainly looking very much like spring here inside Tony's Flowers tonight, where daffodils are being packed to go to 36 sites across SA in the lead up to the Cancer Council's Daffodil Day fundraiser, which of course raises much needed money for cancer research. Right now in the city it's 10 degrees, and for another day we stayed below 14. Our low was 4.3 and we dropped to that at 3:30 this morning. Now, temperatures were several degrees below the August average statewide today as cold air settled in. The mercury dropped to minus 0.1 at Nuriutpa this morning, while Oodnadatta was the warmest with a top of just 18 degrees. We've now got a big high pressure system to the south of us, and that's keeping the cold air circulating. It'll slowly head east this week, ending up over the Tasman Sea by the weekend. Interstate tomorrow, sunny in Brisbane, 21's the top there, and in Sydney, 17. A couple of showers on the way for Melbourne and Hobart. Back home, staying dry but mild across our far north tomorrow. 18 the top for Moomba, Murray and Roxby Downs. 17 for Coober Pedy and Port Augusta. Now, there is still the chance of showers across the south, but they're more likely about the ranges in the mid-north and the further south you go. So I expect a possible shower over Port Lincoln. 15's the top there. 15 for Port Pirie as well. 11 for Clare. 14 for Kadina. 12 for Nuriutpa. 15 for Victor Harbour. 16 for Murray Bridge and for Renmark, which should stay dry. 13 and showers for Mount Gambier. And strong winds will remain about the lower southeast coast tomorrow. In the city, after a low of 8 degrees, 14's the forecast top. We're still expecting a couple of showers. They'll be a bit like today, hit and miss, so we should see a few dry breaks in between. On metro waters, southwesterlies to 15 knots generally, up to 20 south of Brighton with seas around a metre. Looking ahead, and more showers, and 16 the top for Daffodil Day on Thursday. A dry day and 16 Friday, then warmer over the weekend, up to 18 Saturday, 21 the top on Sunday. Now, before I go, let's take a look at tonight's ray of sunshine. Being involved in a car accident can be terrifying, especially for little ones. That's where Smokey comes in. More than 500 of these comfort koalas have been donated by Stewart and Heaton Clothing to the CFS Foundation. They'll now go to local brigades so they can be kept on board CFS trucks and vehicles close to hand to provide comfort and distraction at road crash rescues. So it's a really simple gesture which I'm sure will make all the difference, and a wonderful effort by Stewart and Heaton Clothing as well. Hopefully though, Jane, they don't need 500 of those bears.
Let's hope lots of them stay in the trucks. Thanks, Amelia. Well, that's all the news for now. I'll have updates through the evening, but in the meantime, from all of us here at 7 headquarters in Adelaide, time much, it's good night.